Hi everyone. The collection was called the Royal Procession, and I'm sure you guys got a good feel of it watching the show. So it was a varied line, a really very opulent Indian collection which had things meant for the brides and the grooms as well as family and people who are part of the procession. So we made it look regal with great styling and the kind of embellishment that we've used, the fabrics, the colors, everything was very different this time. And I think the whole setting and all of it did great justice to the show. Had a fabulous one.
Well, the thing is, we have actually now decided to launch one large wedding collection a year, as opposed to the 2 seasons that we were doing, in interest of better work, in interest of more detailed, more researched sort of collections. So as you know, we don't take part in the spring-summer weeks. We do the winter festive and we work the whole year on the collection, so that every detail, every fabric, every embroidery, every silhouette, everything is so well researched, so well designed, and it just flows like a song. So yeah. We have a few what do you call it, patrons and people and celebrities who love our collections. They always order, they always text us every month, every 15 days for new things, that we are making, to make special things for their special occasions. Hema Malini was one. She showcased. She's still a client. She just wore something last week to Sri Devi's party. Dia obviously is a bride to be, one of the most beautiful brides to be in the near future, and she also loves our clothes and wears them to various special occasions that she goes to. And we asked her, we're not sure about her schedule, we asked her, and it was amazing that we could have her to walk the ramp. She's one of the prettiest celebrities I know, and